This video is a succulent unboxing. This is one of my favourite things. Plant mail is the best. So I've got some succulents from overseas. I've not got too many, but I've got some absolute beauties. So let's unbox them now. So let's get straight into it. Let's unbox these beauties. So these are from actually one of my friends ordered these, and we just then go halves on delivery and the sorts, which is amazing. I love having succulent friends. She's the best. And yeah, so she's ordered this and sent them to me, bless her. So let's have a look. What have we got? Sorry if you can hear any noise, that's my cat. She likes to talk as soon as I start the camera. So one of those has come out. Let's start with this one, a black pink. It's like Christmas Day and Pass the Parcel all rolled into one. Is the best. Absolutely love succulent deliveries. Right, so what have we got? So I've got two of everything. So I haven't got loads of different ones. We've just got two of each. With this specific company, you have to order a minimum certain amount. So we have got some duplicates, but these are beautiful. So this is black pink. Wow. This is where I need to not get confused with what is what. So I'm going to be careful and put the labels there. Right, next one. Oh, this is one I really was excited about. If that is the right label. Oh no, that's the label, so it must be this one. Oh, I'm getting all confused already. Yeah, like I said, I haven't ordered loads. I've only got 6 plants, but 2 of each. I love succulent deliveries. I am actually getting quite a big order coming through soon, maybe in the next couple of weeks. So I will do a, oh my goodness, look at them. I'll do a unboxing of them, which could be quite a long one because there's quite a few. So this one is a really beautiful hybrid. So this is a hybrid between a Tolimensis and a Zaragoza. So it's yeah, absolutely beautiful. I actually managed to do some hybrids last year for myself of Tolimensis, if that's how you pronounce it, and some other ones. So hopefully they'll look as beautiful as this. So this is one of the parents, and the other one is similar to this. This is a type of Zaragoza, but it's not a full complete one, but you can see the points there and the tips. So those two combined have made these beauties. Just think it's amazing. And the thing is, if you do hybrids as well, you can have seeds from the same pod, but they can all look so different because I suppose it's like brothers and sisters, isn't it? And genetics, they can have more genetics from the mum than the dad and vice versa. So yeah, amazing. But they are beautiful. Love them. Right, so again, I need to make sure, to be fair, I'm not going to get confused with that one. That is an obvious one because that was one of my absolute favourites. When she sent me the ones she would like to get, I was like, yeah, I'm in. Sold, 100%. No queries. Next one. Ooh. Saraheim. Saraheim is quite a pointy little succulent, but I've never realised like how many different hybrids obviously are made from each succulent. It's just insane. Like I say, they can always look so different. So it depends on where you buy them from to what they look like. And oh my goodness. So I've got 3. And these are a beautiful hybrid as well, with Saraheim, and it says a peerless, but I've never heard of that myself, so it might be an overseas one or something I've just not got in my collection. Beautiful. Look at the colours. I love the pink and the green. I've got 3. Close call then. I nearly started unwrapping without filming. That would have been a little bit weird. Right, the next one's called Blue Song. Oh my goodness. I need to stop having the same reaction. Oh my god, I love them. I'm sure they smell fruity. I don't know if it's just me. I'm sure I can smell fruit, unless it's, I've just washed my hands. That might be the hand wash. Oh, the colours on this. So my friend sent me a photo of hers, and I was like, they look really good, but she's right, the picture doesn't do them justice. So I don't even know if this video will. Like, it just, they look so much better in real life. I do find that with all succulents though, you take pictures and they look good, but it's just not the same as what they look like in real life. So yeah, love them. They are really, really interesting and really different. I love like dark colour succulents as well. Love the pinks, don't get me wrong, but something dark and just a bit different is just beautiful. Penultimate, we've got a Monroe and a Saraheim. So I can't remember if this is one she chose or I chose, but I just love anything. I think this might have been one I chose actually. I love pink, like I just said. I just think they're just, well, who doesn't like pink? I'm such a girly girl at times. And a pink succulent, you can never go wrong with. God, these seem big. I never like big succulents, but that's Monroe. When Monroe grows, God, it gets huge. I've got a massive one I've had for 4 or 5 years now, and it's just becoming a monster. So I might actually head shop it this year. Oh my goodness, look at them. So they're interesting. So what are they? They are a Monroe and a Saraheim. So I'll show you the parents of those as well. Colours. Love these pink tips. So it literally, they do look exactly like what you would expect from the parentage. Let me just show you the parents. So this is my baby Monroe, which I grew from seed. So you can see it's got the chunky kind of pastel colours. And then this is the Saraheim, which is pointy. It's got those dark tips. So you can really see how they have created this. Isn't that just amazing? You can make hybrids and make some absolute beauties. It just blows my mind. It makes me excited to make new hybrids every single year. But yeah, those two make that. Beautiful. Talking of my large Monroe, this is her. So this is about 5 years old. She's just getting bigger and bigger. I would like to head shop her this year, but she's now in bloom. So I'm hoping I can make some kind of hybrids of my own. Actually, one of the blooms is now starting to open up, so I could probably play with that soon. But yeah, that's Monroe. She's beautiful, but she's huge. That's so heavy. So that's my hand in comparison, so it's massive. But yeah, nice, a nice species succulent, which you could obviously use to create some hybrids from. And who doesn't want a pastel chunky hybrid? It's beautiful. Just put those to one side. They are big, aren't they? Monroe and a Saraheim. Okay, and last but not least, a Rotunda. Right, I've just realised it's the toilet roll that smells. It smells fruity. Oh my goodness. Same reaction every time. Wow. Chunky, but funky. Oh, they are beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I've got 2 of each is do the same as what I did last year with them. And I'm going to have one inside in the greenhouse, and then I'm going to do an arrangement with the other ones and keep them outside and just see what the difference is in colour, what happens over the season, because it's crazy how different they can be depending on where they are located. For example, these are some of the ones from last year which I had. This is Flip, we've got Snow Peak, Lilac Card, Baby Pink. So these are the 2 different Snow Peaks. So this one is a lot whiter, a lot more snowy. This one has got more colour, definitely around the edges, and just doesn't have that whiteness to it. I don't actually know what one I prefer. And these are the different Baby Pinks. So this one that has been in the greenhouse is pinker. The one that's been outside is probably just not as stressed because it's probably had a little bit more water. But yeah, they look quite different. And then the other one is a Lilac Card. So I think this one is growing a lot more compact, where this one is pointing upwards slightly. So it might be that because it's getting more light, the leaves have changed kind of direction, because when they require more light, they go flatter, because obviously that increases the surface area of them, so they can actually receive more light. So there's a slight difference on those, and a little bit of colouring, but not too much difference. But yeah, it's always interesting to see. So that's it. They are the beauties. They are the new arrivals, and will hopefully be settling and starting to root soon. So I'm actually going to leave one of each just sitting on top of a pot to let the roots grow naturally, and I can then keep an eye on them to see if they're rooting. And the other ones I'm going to plant in some dry soil and leave them outside. I'm just going to see what roots quicker as well. It's always good to do little experiments and see what happens. Just find it nice and interesting. So that is the haul. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope you liked seeing the new collection. I will have a huge haul coming soon, so if you'd like to see that, please do subscribe. If you've enjoyed the video, please leave me a comment and let me know which one is your favourite. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and like I say, if you could subscribe, it means the absolute world to me. It does so much for my channel. So if this is something you'd like to see, please subscribe, and yeah, leave me a comment if you've got any questions. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.